Good afternoon, boys and girls, and here we are, part 2 of Tug's little, yes. So, as you can see, he's got some nice, pretty new wheels. I don't know where he got those from. Some dodgy bloke, I believe. But, yeah, they look quite good. They look quite good, yes. So, anyway, so what have we got here? We've got that handsome chap. It's quite scary, really. So, now then, we have a new modification now to the equipment, and Tug is going to demonstrate this new modification called a working window.
I am.
He's impressing me already, you know. Look at this.
Watch this.
Watch this. Now he's not doing that from the back. Nobody's working him from the back. No, he did that all on his own.
Yeah.
And he This was attempt number 2, because attempt number 1 did involve an awful lot of swearing and cursing. But we're all right now, and the doctor says he's almost cured and back to normal. But that's good, isn't it, boys and girls? So here we are, sort of, you know, slightly almost ready for the Wales run. And won't that be joyous? Of course, the better car is over here. But, you know, that
No, it's not. It's not.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, well, you know, what can I say? Yes.
One thing.
Yes, yes, young man, yes.
What's that?
It's my doggy wuggy. It's a dog, isn't it? It's a dog. It's a dog.
Next thing you'll be doing is having a dice hanging from you.
Yeah, nodding dice. I will show you this, boys and girls. I did a small modification, a little bit of a fiddle, into my little car. And the observant of you will notice I have a new knob. A nice, not shiny knob, because I sprayed it, but yes, it's very nice. And then, of course, I did that. That's rather good. And yeah, I'm quite pleased. So, yes, boys and girls, we're very nearly ready now. And thank you for watching.
Don't you want to show my knob before you go?
Ah, all right. We're going to show you his knob now. Yes.
I've got a set. Knob and
yes.
handle.
Yes. Look. It's pretty, isn't it? It's a pity about the engine, but compensation is obviously important. You know, real thing. Compensation. Say good night, boys and girls.
Good night, girls and boys.